DesignerLogic has a web clipper that is a Chrome add-on that enables you to clip products and items from various websites and add them directly into your projects and favorites board in DesignerLogic. This saves you the time of having to copy and paste data and upload information. You can just clip it directly off the internet. So to get to that, you want to go down to, in DesignerLogic, to the web clipper page. So click on web clipper from the left-hand navigation. And here you'll see a page with, if you already have the web clipper, all the items that you've clipped will show up. But right here you can see you have a link to the Chrome store, and then you have your login credentials right here, which are set up when you open your account. Now you can update that if you want to change the token, but normally just leave that as it is. So to get the clipper, just click on the Chrome store link, and that will take you to DesignerLogic's Chrome page. And here you can see a bunch of information about the web clipper, but basically all you want to do is hit add to Chrome, and then you want to add the extension, and this is going to update your Chrome account. And to make sure it shows up in your little section up here where you can always click on your icons, you want to click on this little icon here and make sure that it's pinned to your favorites board. So just check that pin button, and that DL icon will show up in Chrome for you. So now when you're on a web page with an item that you want to clip to DesignerLogic to a project, just click on the DL icon in your add-on list and it will open up DesignerLogic's web clipper.